Now let's start reflection of light. What is meant by the reflection of light? First solve this fill in the blanks which is given on page number 178 in your textbook. Take out. First is the shadow of a white color object is dash in color. Tell me answer. The shadow, yes, shadow is always black. Answer is black. Write down answer, black. Page number 178, fill in the blanks. First is the shadow of a white colored object is dash in color. The answer is black. Okay. Then lunar eclipse happens on a dash moon day. Lunar eclipse occurs on a, answer is yes, it is full moon day. Very good. Full moon day. Then third, the image formed by a pinhole camera is in inverted nahi. Aryan, spelling wrong. Kushi, spelling wrong. Inverted nahi, inverted. Inverted मतलब उल्टी. Inverted, INVERTED. Okay, inverted. The next, fourth, an opaque object dash and a dash are required for shadow formation. An opaque object, what? Yes, source of light and screen. Write down source of light, SOURCE. Source of light and screen are required for shadow formation. ठीक है? Now the next term is the reflection of light. What is meant by the reflection of light? What happens when light strikes a smooth surface? It bounces back. The bouncing back of light on striking a smooth surface is known as reflection. Suppose on a mirror, in front of mirror you see your image in the mirror, है ना? क्यों दिखती है? When light falls on the mirror, mirror के ऊपर light आता है, it bounces back. Okay, so it bounces back. The bouncing back of light on striking a smooth surface is known as the reflection. We see our image in a mirror. The phenomenon of reflection enables us to see the things. इसलिए हमें कोई भी चीजें दिखती है. We cannot see in a dark. अंधेरे में हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं देख पाते. But when light falls on the object, it's striking and it bounces back, so we are able to see the things. All objects reflect some amount of light falling on them. When this reflected light reaches us, we are able to see the object. When जो light है हमारे पास पहुंचती है, हमारे आंखों में पहुंचती है, तो हम लोग चीजें देख पाते हैं. Okay, so one activity is given to demonstrate the reflection of light. For that, you required with your two friends along with you to a dark room, stand in 3 different corners as shown in the activity. So activity is given on the page number 179. See, ऐसे arrange करो. Then let one of you hold a torch while you hold a mirror. Ask your friend to direct beam of light from torch on the mirror. Okay. Then what happened? And moves in a different direction. Now adjust the mirror such that the reflected light falls on your other friend. Ask your friend to change his position. Can you direct the reflected beam towards without moving your place? Okay, so that shows the reflection of light when light falls on the mirror. Okay, then why this happens? Because glass allow nearly all the light falling on it to pass through. As a result, it does not become clearly visible to the person. A similar thing will not happen in case of wooden door. Wooden door पे दिखेगा आपको? No, you cannot see the things because it's a rough surface. So certain objects reflects nearly all the light incident on them. These are called the mirrors. Mirrors behave differently depending on the shape of their surface. So let's study about a plane mirror. You observe plane mirror. Plane mirror पता है? Yes or no? मिरर देखते हो रोज? आईना पता है ना? हाँ, mirror is very smooth. You see your reflection in the mirror. Yes or no? Yes. So plane mirror is a thin, flat and smooth sheet of glass having a shiny coating of silver on the side. Mirror कैसे होता है? Glass पता है आपको? Glass is transparent. Okay? But mirror is not transparent. You see your reflection in the mirror. अपना खुद का चेहरा देखते हो ना मिरर में, कैसे दिख रहे? दिख रहे? हाँ, अच्छे दिख रहे, नहीं दिख रहे, मेकअप कर रहे मिरर में देख के ही, है ना? So you see your reflection in the mirror. So mirror is a thin, flat, smooth sheet. उसको हाथ लगा के देखो, it is smooth. और एक साइड में आपको, अगर आपके यहाँ पे है मिरर, एक साइड में उसको कोटिंग दिया जाता है, सिल्वर कोटिंग. ग्लास को पीछे से अगर सिल्वर कोटिंग दो तो वो मिरर में बन जाता है. So having a glass having a shiny smooth coating of silver on one side. The reflection of light takes place at the silvered surface inside. A plane mirror is, कैसे डायग्रामेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट करते प्लेन मिरर को? It is diagram of a plane mirror. Okay? लाइन उसके नीचे ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ की तो इट इज अ डायग्राम ऑफ, इट्स अ प्लेन मिरर. ओके, प्लेन मिरर. Okay, when a light rays falls on this plane mirror, it's a light rays. Light ray then falls on the plane mirror. It reflected. It reflected. It reflected. It is a reflected ray. It's a ray diagram. It's a ray. Okay. This is incident ray. Incident ray, IR. Incident ray. When light falls on the plane mirror, that is incident ray, and it reflects, that is reflected ray. This is a plane mirror. Okay? It is plane mirror. Understood? So that is reflection of light, reflection from a plane mirror. Then that falls on the mirror is known as an incident ray. Voice is not coming. Anybody? Do you have any problem? My voice is clear? Children, my voice is clear? Yes. So Nayan, it's your problem, not others. Okay? So from my side, it is not problem, no problem. The ray of light that falls on the mirror is known as incident ray. When light falls on the mirror, that is incident ray, and the ray of light after reflection from the mirror, that is reflected ray. See that? Okay? The image formed by the plane mirror. Which image you get when you observe you in a plane mirror? That is lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means left-right inversion. Left side appears right-hand side when you observe in the mirror. मिरर में अगर आप लोग अपने खुद की इमेज देखते हो तो कैसी लगती है? फर्स्ट is of the same size as object. जैसा ऑब्जेक्ट है वैसे ही वही साइज उतनी इमेज आपको प्लेन मिरर में मिलेगी. यस और नो? खुद को आप मिरर में ऑब्जर्व करते हो, खड़े रहते हो मिरर के सामने, आप कैसे दिखते हो? जैसे है वैसे दिखते हो या उल्टे, छोटे, बड़े, मोटे ऐसे दिखते हो? कैसे दिखते हो बताओ? When you observe your image in mirror, the image formed by plane mirror is of the same size and as object. It is normal. Yes, Mansi. It's a normal image. Same दिखते हो, जैसे है वैसे दिखते हो. Then has the same side up. Okay? जितना साइज है उतना ही साइड अप दिखते हो. देन हैज लैटरल इन्वर्शन. लैटरल इन्वर्शन दिखता है. दिस मीन्स दैट लेफ्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट अपीयर्स ऑन द राइट ऑफ द इमेज एंड राइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट अपीयर्स ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ द इमेज. हैव यू ऑब्जर्व? जाओ 1 मिनट दे रही हूँ, आप लोग ऑब्जर्व करके आओ, खड़े रख के आओ मिरर के सामने. Nayan, it's your problem. Okay, giving you 1 minute. You go stand in front of the mirror and tell me how you observe. Chalo, jao. And then tell me left hand side, right hand side दिखता है कि नहीं, और right hand का left hand दिखता है कि नहीं. Raise your hand and then tell me. Then is at the same distance from the mirror as that of the object. Distance भी same दिखता है. जितने distance पे आप खड़े हो उतना ही distance से आप दिखते हो mirror में. Yes? आगे वापस. Yes, Radhika? You observe your image in mirror. So it is of same size as object, as like you. Then has a side up, same side up. Then has lateral inversion. है ना, lateral inverted image दिखती है. Left hand side राइज किया लेफ्ट हैंड तो राइट हैंड दिखता है, राइट हैंड रेज किया तो लेफ्ट हैंड दिखता है. एंड at the same distance from the mirror as the object, जितना आप मिरर से खड़े हो उतना ही दूर वहां पे दिखता है. These are the characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. Okay, understood? Now in 7th standard you have to learn about the curved mirror. It is a plane mirror, but जो curved mirror होते हैं उसके characteristics अलग होते हैं. Curved glasses, curved mirror. The curved glasses are used specially in the specs. ठीक है, it is the plane mirror. प्लेन मिरर. मिरर इमेज आपने सीखी है ज्योमेट्री में. मिरर इमेज, हाँ, यस, वेरी गुड. सो these are the characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror. So let's okay, any problem in that? So in this lesson we learn about the light. Light is a form of energy that makes things visible to us. Yes, Aryan, हाँ, है ना. So this is the lateral inverted. Lateral उसको बोलते हैं lateral inversion. में when you raise your right hand, it looks your left hand when you observe your image in the mirror. That is laterally inverted image. The most common use of plane mirror is in the form of looking mirror, है ना. It is also used in a solar cooker for reflection of light. Solar cooker देखे. Scientific measuring instruments also. Kaleidoscope and periscope. That is the use of plane mirror for reflection of light. Okay. So in this lesson we learn about the light is the form of energy that makes things visible to us. Then we also learn about the luminous object, give out light of their own, and non-luminous object do not have light of their own. Then we learn about the materials are classified as transparent, translucent, and opaque depending on the amount of light that they allow to pass through them. Okay. Then light exhibits rectilinear propagation. What is the speed of light we learn? It is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. A set of rays form a beam. Then we also learn in this lesson the area of darkness formed by an opaque object obstructing the path of light is called a shadow. How the shadows form, what are the characteristics of shadow we learn. Then solar eclipse, by the formation of shadow what happens, which phenomenon you see in the nature. So that is solar eclipse, and lunar eclipses are both two examples that occurs in nature through the shadow formation due to movement of celestial bodies. Okay. Then again, the pinhole camera produces a diminished image of an object. I have given to you activity also to prepare a pinhole camera. So on Monday I will check, or Saturday, maybe on Saturday I will check. Then the bouncing back and change in the direction of light on striking a smooth surface is known as the reflection of light. Then we see the characteristic of an image formed by a plane mirror. So these points we covered in this lesson. Saksham, ma'am, I make nahi made. Okay, Saksham, very good. You observe the image, Saksham. So that image is the laterally Inverted. Okay. How you appear the image? Inverted image? Inverted. Yes. And the image is also diminished, means small. Yes. Ma'am, my copy checked or not, Shilpa? Beta, you have given me copy when I think I didn't get your copy. When you have given me copy? Okay, it is about the lesson. Here we finish this lesson. So you have to read lesson. Okay. What is your name, beta? कल दी तो चेक हो गई आपकी कॉपी. Tell me your name. Shilpa Chamate. Astha, yes, checked. Okay. So you come and collect your copy after 2 o'clock. Okay. So let's see one video on that.